What's going on, guys? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 BMW 540i M Sport. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder with 335 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It can do 0 to 60 in between 4.6 to 4.9 seconds on average. So this is a really good daily driving vehicle right here. I really like the previous body style of the 5 Series, which is this one, then the outgoing generation, especially the M Sport variants. The 540i will give you a 6-cylinder, which is gives you the B58 over the 4-cylinder in the 530i. So that's a big improvement. I mean, not improvement, but upgrade. This one has a cognac interior with nice leather. This doesn't look like the synthetic. I think this is like actual leather. I don't know if it's merino leather in these or like Napa or something like that, but it looks really good. You have a pretty big sunroof. You have a wood trim, ambient lights. You have a big iDrive 7 screen. Looks really good. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have the iDrive 7 gauge cluster, which I really like as well. M Sport logo in the center for these M Sport models. You also have adaptive cruise control in this one, paddle shifters. Put the vehicle in reverse. You have a backup camera, no 360 view, however. You have heated seats, no ventilated, but I believe ventilated is an option. You have sport mode, comfort, eco pro, parking sensors, Harman Kardon sound, which is an upgrade. Sounds good, but let's walk around it and we'll take it out on the road. You have the M door sill plates. I really like this cognac color. I really like it. Some people don't like cognac, but I love it. Exterior is finished in black sapphire metallic. I think you'll have black wheels with the red M Performance brake calipers. Those M Performance brakes are an upgrade. Not all the M Sports come with them. You have LED headlights, black grille, and the black grille is also an upgrade. Not all M Sports have the black grille. So this is a good looking M Sport. I love the blackout look, especially with all the blacked out trim pieces, the wheels, the grill, 540i on the back. I love the LCI taillights on these. This is the G30 generation, I believe. Yeah, G30. You also have dual outlet exhausts, black exhaust on this one. Oh, power trunk. This is a loaded 5 Series. Not all of them come with that. This one, yeah, I believe this one has executive package then, because it has a head-up display and the power trunk. Here are the rear seats. They look pretty good legroom as well. But time to drive this 530i or 540i M Sport 2023. Yeah, this is a pretty well-equipped 5 Series. Not all of them come with this equipment, as I just mentioned. You know, it's pretty cool that this has all that stuff in it. Just trying to get comfortable in the seat real quick. All right. This one, yeah, I think this one also has a mild hybrid 48-volt battery, so I can feel it when I'm going at these low speeds. It's just like running on electric power. Like, I can literally feel it. So that's cool that it has a mild hybrid. Accelerates pretty well too. Nice. Good driving feel and dynamics, of course. Great steering too, very impressive. The low end torque is really good in this car. These low speeds picks up acceleration well, also off the line, and it just feels like it has very smooth power delivery. Transmission feels good too. This is nice. This one doesn't have the heated steering wheel, but if it did, it would have like a little like line through here, and it'll have the button over there. Even in the sport mode, it has a very smooth ride. And my favorite part about this interior are the seats. Very comfortable seats. Like the base Sensitech seats in these are not good. I don't really like Sensitech and BMW seats in general. They feel really rough and uncomfortable. But the full leather, like the main leather options, are way better. And these seats are very cushy. They give great lateral support, thigh support, and support for your abdomen. So it feels good overall. I'm really enjoying that. Gotta wait a little bit for this traffic and then we'll be able to go. Perfect, time to go. Nice. You can see how quick the car picks up speed. Like it's very effortless. And for like the adaptive cruise and all that stuff, it has like a little eye monitor system, so it can check if you're actually paying attention to the road. That's a quick way you can know if a BMW has driver assistance technology or the advanced suite of driver assisted safety features, is if you see that little radar eye thing over there. Looks really good in that reflection with those cool DRLs. But overall, very, very nice 2023 BMW 540i M Sport right here. Looks really good, drives well, and great color combo on this specific one. Thanks for watching another video, Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of nice pre-owned BMWs like this one.